Today we are going to host TikTok Shop's Soul Glow launch. Hey everyone, it's your host, Anne Christine. So meron tayong anim na Korean skincare brands na ilo-launch sa TikTok Shop and it will be attended by KOLs, content creators, celebrities. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Nandito tayo sa KL Service Residences in Makati. We're staying here for 4 days. Abangan nyo na lang din yung staycation reel. This is just 30 minutes away from Altagia Taguig, the venue. So let me show you my hair and makeup. Of course, I did my own hair and makeup again. And my lashes is by Lux Beauty Lounge. Mermaid curls. This is what I use, guys. Yes, it's a huge one. Kasi pag hindi ganito kalaki, maliliit yung curls. Parang sa Santo Niño sila. So, dapat ganito kalaking bilhin nyo para ganito yung ma-achieve nyo na mermaid curls. This is the fit. I've already worn this before, but as a coat. This time, I'm wearing it as a top. So, kinlose ko siya. And nagkamali ako ng size na na-order. Akala ko medium ako, but mahaba siya dito and maluwang siya dito. But, panindigan na lang natin dahil tinatamad na ako mag-return. Today's scent is Elizabeth Arden Green Tea in Sakura. I know millennials would agree that Elizabeth Arden Green Tea talaga yung must-have before. So, I was so happy to see na marami na siyang iba't ibang versions. May nectarine, may sakura, may lychee. Basta check nyo na lang. I got this from Rustan's. Let's go! Annyeong! Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Soul Glow. Today, they will formally introduce Soul Glow and share TikTok Shop's vision for bringing the best of K-beauty closer to Filipino consumers. Thank you so much to all our friends from TikTok Shop Philippines for officially launching Soul Glow. I can tell that you all enjoy the activities that we have on site and of course, each other's company.